I will show you how to farm Pendle token on Binance Launchpool. On your home screen, navigate to this launchpad over here. Upcoming Launchpool. Pendle token is the symbol of this token, and total reward is 5 million of this token, and farming period is 25 days. Time until farming starts 11 hours 37 minutes. And here is the both two pool you can stake your asset to farm this token: TUSD pool and BNB pool. And in this video I'm going to be staking BNB. To show you how to do this, you need to press this pool, BNB pool. You have decided to stake your BNB to farm this token, and right here you will need to input, press this stake, and right here, if you have this max, if you want to max out your asset you have in your account, then press stake, and you see successful stake BNB. And right here, if you go back again and come over here, custom allocation, and you see over here that you have staked your token, and same thing applies to the TUSD. Right now I'm going to unstake this BNB, show you how to unstake your token. And right here you need to press this redeem and max this out and press redeem. BNB redemption successful, and you'll be able to find your token in your spot wallet. If you don't have this TUSD, then you want to stake this, you need to press this and press buy TUSD, and over here you need to press the amount of this TUSD you want to buy. Let's take, for instance, I want to buy $10, and I'm going to buy immediately at the marketplace. Then I'm going to press this. No, I'm going to press $11 to buy this immediately. Then I'm going to go back and come to this launchpad again, and right here I'm going to go back again and press this. You see, now I have $11 to stake. You need to press this stake right here, and you can input the amount of assets you want to stake. I input $10 and I press stake. Right now I've successfully staked this TUSD, and if you want to check this allocation that you have already staked your token, you need to come here and change this to TUSD, and you'll be able to find your asset over here. And here's the asset. You need to go back again. If you want to stake your token, come over here and press redeem, and you can max this out to redeem the whole amount you have staked. Press redeem, and you see I've successfully redeemed this token. And right here I'm going to show you how to claim your token. Let's say, for instance, you have staked your token, you did not redeem your token immediately, and right here on this section right here, you need to use this option over here to claim your rewards. Your reward is going to show over here. You just need to claim your reward. The same thing applies to this TUSD pool. You just need to go down and use this option over here. You see claim your reward, you need to press this claim. It's going to show you if you have reward to claim, and that's how you'll be able to farm this Pendle token on Binance. Remember, you need to wait until 11 hours before this farming starts, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any future Launchpool or Launchpad on my channel, so you get this real information in real time before this token starts. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn up your notification bell.